Hello, my name is Ryan from H&S Tech Solutions, and today we are going to be giving you a quick little tutorial of all of our resource management software. First, I'm going to log into the system using the test account. And there we go, in the middle there. On the side here, we have four buttons representing the four screens that we have. I'm going to walk you through each one of those. In the dashboard here, you can change the email that your account is associated with, as well as your password. We got a little form for those. You can cancel your active subscription if you like, just by pressing that button, and you can also reactivate it. And basically, if your account is active at the time your billing renewal date comes up, then it'll automatically renew it. And if not, then it'll just cancel it for you. And if you're having any issues at all, you can uh, type your message into this form here, and it'll shoot us an email over to the company email address. The main functionality of this program is the analytics. And what that will allow you to do is it'll let you see how uh, your resource use is stacking up to other people in your industry. So you can see the average cost that you're paying for your materials, you can see your personal usage, and you can see your personal wastage. We're going to say usage just for the purpose of this. And we're going to go 2x4 lumbers, pine from August to May. And when you do that, here's a graph showing your usage in this blue line, and then there are the top three companies that are using the material you selected, as well as the bottom three. So you can kind of see how you stack up to um, people who are using the most and people who are using the least. And as you can see here, apparently May is where our test data stopped. We're going to go back now. Now that you've seen what it eventually do, we can go to our inventory management, and here is where you can manage your individual inventory that'll feed into that graph. So you can either register a new material if the material that you want to put in as an addition wasn't originally in that drop-down menu, or you can use one that already is. So we have a lot of wood here for like a manufacturing industry. We also had a little bit of food here for a restaurant industry. But if you don't see something that you might want there, let's say you want to, say we bought some seafood and it's shrimp. Shrimp wasn't on the list. And we say we bought 1,000 of them and it cost us, I don't know, how much does shrimp cost? 3,000 USD. Submit that, and that is now a part of your personal inventory. And you'll see we'll go to usage, and the usage is essentially the inverse of the inventory management. You select a material from the list, and you'll see here the shrimp we added is now a part of the drop-down list, because by putting it into the inventory management, it enters it into the database so that other people uh, in the restaurant industry who are using shrimp be like, oh, shrimp is already a thing that people are using. Let us put our materials in under that. So we can say we're going to say shrimp, and we want to use 500 of those shrimps we used, and we dropped a few on the floor. Let's say we wasted 40. And that goes into the database again, but this time as a usage, and that information is used to make up the other graphs. And yeah, it's just a nice little tool that you can use to see how your company kind of stacks up against other companies. Are you maybe wasting a lot of materials that you shouldn't be wasting? Are you paying a little bit too much? Or are you maybe falling right into the nice meat of the bell curve and you're happy where you are. So yeah, that's all I'd like to show you for today. Thank you so much. And if you have any questions, please feel free to email us admin@hnsts.ca. Business inquiries can also go through there. Thank you very much.